In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in Trello. Whether you're managing a project, organizing tasks, or collaborating with your team, adding images to your Trello cards can enhance communication and provide visual context. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can seamlessly integrate images into your workflow. First, you'll need to navigate to your Trello board. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello. Once you're on your dashboard, locate and click on the board where you want to add the image. If you have multiple boards, make sure you select the correct one to keep your tasks organized. Now, within your chosen board, you'll see all your cards laid out. Select the card where you want to insert the image. Cards are essentially task items or project components, and adding an image can be particularly useful if you want to include visual references or supporting materials related to that task. Once you've opened the card, you'll notice a menu with several options. Look for the attachment option. It's usually on the right side of the card interface. Clicking on Attachment will open a drop-down menu presenting different sources from which you can attach a file. In this menu, you'll want to click on Choose a File. This option allows you to upload an image directly from your computer. When you click it, a window will pop up enabling you to browse through your files. Navigate to the folder where your image is saved, select the file, and confirm your choice. Trello supports a variety of image formats such as JPG, PNG, and GIF, so you shouldn't have any issues with compatibility. After you've uploaded the image, it will appear on your Trello card. You'll see a thumbnail of the image on the card cover, and if you click on it, it will open in a larger view. This is particularly handy for team members who need to see the image in more detail. That's it. You've successfully added an image to your Trello card. This feature is incredibly useful for adding depth to your project management and ensuring all team members have access to the visual elements necessary for their tasks. Remember that you can repeat this process for any card where an image might enhance understanding or provide necessary context. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Happy organizing!